hallways, and pods procedures. Walk on the right side of the hallway, not down the middle. Walk and talk. Don't form groups that stand still and block others as they try to go to class. Always walk in the hallway, never run, even if it means you will be late to class. When walking in the hallway, use your inside voice. If we can detect your voice specifically, you are talking too loudly. Keep your hands and belongings to yourself. Remain in the appropriate pod. Remember, students who do not move correctly in the hallways or pods will receive a hall conduct violation. If you are moving in the hallways or pods during class time, you will need to have a correctly filled out hall pass with you. Lunchroom procedures. When walking to the cafeteria, students should walk in a single file line. Classes are still in session, so voices should be off. When you arrive to the cafeteria, have a seat in your assigned seats. Seats are assigned by teacher's last name. You will be called up to the lunch line one class at a time. Return to sit only in the seats designated by your teacher's name. Always be kind and courteous. Don't push, shove, or cut in line. Speak kindly to those at your table using an inside voice. Listen for instructions. Seats are not saved. First come is first to sit.